Alright, this right here is Shower Beer Blues, which has this like kind of swingy shuffle. Stepped down for a night out, but the blues fell on me again. Thought downtown could help me out, but I just couldn't find a friend. Got a lot of drops of whiskey dripping down to my bones. Got a girl in Texas say she missed me, wondering when I'm gonna come back home. Well, plenty of humbug and hell, not much of anything else. Liquor, salt, and stillness can serve you just as well. Had a shower beer to cower from my fear of bathing bone dry. Might be squeaky clean between my ears, but I'll still have a dirty mind. Days are confusing cause we aren't really good to each other. It's rude to help a stranger, it's polite to watch your neighbor suffer. Gotta have that existential nerve so it won't hurt when you bump your head. On the pointlessness of that existence that you led. When I caught the malady of loneliness, I saw your first aid kit face, shining like an angel from some far-off place. Seemed like my sickness was about to be erased. My placebo love just up and disappeared without a trace.